Ever pondered over the potential benefits of sipping on clove and cinnamon water daily? These two spices have been used in traditional medicine for centuries and are known for their potential health benefits. Yet, it's worth noting the benefits and precautions before incorporating these into your daily routine. First, let's dive into the potential benefits. Some studies suggest that both cinnamon and cloves can help regulate blood sugar levels. While this doesn't replace diabetes medications, it could potentially assist in managing the condition. Next, both spices are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. This means they could potentially help with conditions like arthritis or gut issues, although more research is needed to confirm this. Thirdly, these spices are packed with antioxidants. These little wonders help combat cell damage and could potentially reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Lastly, some suggest that clove and cinnamon can aid digestion. However, the scientific evidence supporting this claim is rather limited. Now, how about brewing this spiced water? You simply need to steep 1 to 2 whole cloves and a cinnamon stick in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Then strain and enjoy it warm or cold. Feel free to add honey or lemon for flavor, but remember to use these moderately to avoid extra sugar. While the potential benefits sound promising, it's important to exercise caution. The benefits mentioned are not definitively proven, and more research is needed. Use cloves sparingly, as excessive consumption can be harmful. 1 to 2 cloves per serving should suffice. Also be aware that clove and cinnamon can interact with certain medications. So if you're taking any medication, consult your doctor before consuming these spices regularly. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, avoid cloves and limit cinnamon intake, as they may have adverse effects. Lastly, be cautious of allergic reactions. If you experience discomfort after consuming these spices, it's advisable to stop. In summary, while clove and cinnamon water could potentially offer some health benefits, it's crucial to remember that they're not a cure-all. Prioritize evidence-based health practices and moderation. Always consult your doctor before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions or take medication. And never forget, the foundation of good health lies in a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. While spices like cloves and cinnamon can be beneficial, they are not substitutes for a healthy lifestyle. So enjoy them, but keep your expectations realistic.